It's very interesting watching scientific theories come and go, especially with regard to cancer, because it's such an emotionally charged subject.
Almost 100 years ago, in the 1930s, altered metabolism was most of what we knew about cancer.
But when Watson and Crick discovered DNA, this really drew a line.
It was a massive paradigm shift.
And everything went out the window.
We wanted to do the old boring stuff. It just seemed so much more interesting to get into the code, get into the DNA.
The theory of cancer was now that we have all of these genes within us that are the seeds for cancer to develop.
A lot of cancer research has got sidetracked.
It's a very seductive theoretical template that you go from these mutations, you design targeted drugs to hit these mutations, and this leads to cancer therapies.
Has it made a difference in terms of personalized medicine and targeted therapies? No, as much as people think.
Now, people have returned to this idea of metabolism being important because the research just has become more and more illuminating.
Instead of cancer being the product of genetic damage, we think the genetic damage is self-inflicted.
It's interesting because cancer biology was so far off in the genetics, and now you see this shift.
These ideas have been around, but nobody seems to have connected the dots.
When you start looking deeper into this, there are some cancer cells that have no genetic mutations.
The goal of cancer therapies is to kill the tumor before you kill the patient.
The hospitals benefit, the doctors benefit from it, the pharmaceutical companies benefit. It's a huge money revenue generation system.
As I often say, the problem with science is it's done by human beings.
How does evolution fit into this picture?
There is our alternative. How come nobody's telling you about these alternatives?
We don't have a good understanding of what cancer is.
We're still really early in this story.